The ultimate Alignerrcom review. Tutorial from zero to pro in 1 minute. If you've been looking for a reliable platform to manage your tasks and team workflow, most people get this wrong by relying on outdated tools that slow progress. The surprising truth about Alignerrcom is that it combines task management, collaboration, and analytics into a single intuitive platform that can streamline your productivity instantly. First, sign up and set up your workspace. You won't believe how simple it is. Create your team, define roles, and assign tasks in just a few clicks. The interface is clean, making navigation effortless even for beginners. Next, explore the task features. Most people get this wrong by not taking full advantage of subtasks, deadlines, and priority tags. Alignerrcom allows you to break down complex projects into actionable steps, set reminders, and track progress visually. Check collaboration tools. The surprising truth is that seamless communication is key to efficiency. Alignerrcom includes chat options, file sharing, and common threads for each task so your team can stay aligned without juggling multiple apps. Finally, leverage analytics and reporting. You won't believe how insightful these dashboards are. They help track completion rates, identify bottlenecks, and improve planning for future projects. In conclusion, Alignerrcom can take you from zero to pro in project management. By setting up your workspace properly, utilizing tasks and subtasks, using collaboration features, and reviewing analytics, you can transform team productivity and hit deadlines consistently while staying organized and stress-free.